It turns out as land becomes more valuable, it becomes very important to be able to increase the density of occupation, which means that there are many more shared obligations between parties. Instead of everybody having his own driveway, there's one driveway that's shared by numbers of people. And the question is, how do you organize these arrangements? As a matter of first principle, the correct answer is as follows. First of all, what you do is you get a common owner, and that what that common owner then does is to create a series of contracts with other individuals which specify what units they're going to occupy and how they're going to fund their share of the common obligations and how the governance structure for the arrangement is going to take place. When you do this with one person, that everybody else who wants to buy into the common association has notice of what the particular arrangements are so that they will not be misled as to the situation between the owner of the property on the one hand and the prior purchasers, say, of a condominium and cooperative units. And so what you need to do is to have an arrangement in which all of these things are recorded to give notice, and then basically freedom of contract in their organization. The best case which deals with this is a case called Neponsit, and it's concerned with the governance structures of planned unit communities, which essentially are a development of modern times. The Neponsit case is in many ways the most important case in the property class because it shows you how to put a governance structure together when you have to have people living under common rule. And every single legal doctrine which stood in the way of doing this was essentially eliminated. The old rules used to say that only the party who owned the property could have a right with respect to a covenant or an easement, and that means that you could not create independent condominium associations to run the place. And sure enough, what happened is they relaxed that rule as well, so that a condominium association could have powers of governance with respect to an organization, even though it was not a property owner under the circumstances.